So today, guys, you are in my kitchen and we are going to be cleaning this kitchen, and I'm going to be cooking some sausage and rice. So it's going to be a cook and clean with me. I'm also going to be doing a zucchini bread, which will be another video. So for those of you who have been waiting for it, it may be out before or after this video, I don't know, but it should be around the vicinity of this video. But guys, I got some new t-shirts out, and if you want one, you can go to my website. It says I'm working, that's why, and they are $55 a piece. Don't judge me. They're $55 a piece, and if you want one, go check my website out. I am so shiny. But anywho, let's get into cleaning this kitchen. But let me show you how nasty it looks and disgusting it looks and out of place it looks. So yeah, be right back. All right, guys, so here is the kitchen. That plant right there has got to go back to my mom-in-law's house. My mom-in-law doctored my plants back to health, and so I told my husband to go pick them up, and he picked up the wrong plant, like a huge plant that wasn't mine. So he got to take that big plant on the island back. But this is the catch-all for everything, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of talking and a little bit of just letting you guys watch at the same time, for those who like talking and those who don't. And I'm just going to get this kitchen nice and clean. And if you have any questions about the video, please leave them below. If you are new to my channel and you have subscribed, thank you so much for becoming a reviver. And we are all positivity. We bring life to any situation we encounter. That's what we are all about over here. If you are new and you have not hit that notification bell, make sure you do, because I normally load every Saturday, but I give surprise videos throughout the week. Lots of surprise videos. So make sure that notification bell is on. And I'm not going to talk your ears off at this moment. I'm going to let you continue watching me clean my house. All right? Later, guys. Enjoy. If you have a George Foreman, go check out the video on how I make grilled sandwiches for my children, my family. We just love them. The cleanup is amazing, and it does not keep your house greasy or your stove greasy. So go check that video out. I gotta have my bleach. I do not like greasy water, especially when you are cooking with chicken or grease. You gotta have that bleach in the kitchen. I don't think that anything natural could replace the bleach, y'all. What y'all think? Since I'm cooking, I'm not going to completely wash down the counters and stuff. After I cook, I'm gonna wipe down the counters, clean the counters off, and vacuum the rug and sweep and stuff. So that's why I am making a simple Italian sausage, onion and pepper sauce to put over my yellow rice, which is my quick, easy yellow rice. Guys, this yellow rice tastes so good. It's better than buying the box yellow rice. And I just cut up some onions and some peppers, and I cut up 2 Italian sausages, and this is going to be my lunch for my hubby and I. These sausages, the brine of it was so tough, like it didn't want to cut, so I just put it in little balls. So I got 1 cup of rice, 1 pack of Saison, and some thyme. And I also put 2 chicken bouillon cubes. I let my olive oil heat up. Then I put my onions, peppers, and sausages in there. And I'm just going to let that cook until it gets brown and basically saute it. I believe that I'm a part of this, a clip of me trying to make like a little sauce for this. I didn't want it to be like a gravy. I just wanted it to be like a sauce. I end up, I don't know. I thought I was recording, but I didn't. So I miss getting that on the camera. So I like to literally clean as I go. I can't cook in a dirty kitchen, so I'm cleaning as I go, so that way the kitchen is pretty clean when I'm done cooking. So That's what you see me doing. So see how this is creating like its own little, you know, sauce from the Italian sausage juices and stuff. This is basmati rice, guys. We love it, love it, love it. And it's not quite done. Oh, I did get it. Okay, so I put a little bit of the cornstarch in a bowl, and then I put a little bit of water, not a lot. That's about a good maybe tablespoon and a half of water, not a lot of water at all, because I don't want to create a gravy. I want to create a sauce. So I just basically forgot to record myself pouring it in, and that's what I did. I think I was trying to repeat what I did to share with you guys, but all I did was continue cooking the rice to get all the water out of it, and then I just made a little sauce, putting that starch in my sausage with some water, and I just put it over my yellow rice. That is it. Nice, quick, tasty, savory lunch, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So, all right. So I thrifted these little stainless steel, they're really heavy candle holders years ago in South Carolina. I like to put them on my counter just to accent it and give it a little bit of, you know, decor. They tend to get a little film on them from frying food, so that's what you see me doing. Just guys, it is time to put these away, and the reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to be cleaning my stove, and I got other things that I need to clean, so I need to get a lot of this stuff out of the way. Guys, I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of these cups. I've done that already, but because we were going to the gym and working out and all that stuff, all these cups accumulated over again, and the kids are always bringing home new cups from somewhere. So yeah, but here you see me just washing all the things that I took out of the cabinet. Sometimes food tends to fall down in my drawers where my pots and pans are and get on certain stuff, so I have to pull it out and clean it, and then you know, put it back in there. This pan for some reason has this gooky, sticky, oily crap on it, so I'm trying to get that stuff off. I have been so lazy with washing the bottom of my pots, and they look a hot mess, but the inside of them look awesome, so I'm, you know, fine with that. That's what I cook inside of, so the outside don't bother me as much. But one day I'm gonna sit down and actually treat them and try to get all that gook off the bottom of them as well. I have no clue what happened to my front eye. I have no clue. I don't know if somebody cooked something and it stuck and got all in there, but it is very irritating. I'm gonna have to figure out if I can maybe put oven cleaner on it or something to like make it eat up that stuff, because it's like so many grooves and it's hard to just get in there and get a good scrub. But I shall figure it out. Guys, why I couldn't get none of my knobs off, I don't know if they're supposed to come off, but I was pulling for my life and I could not get those knobs off. So I just left the one and cleaned around that. But I took like a butter knife, I forgot to record it, and went around with the rag around the insides of the other ones that would not come off. So here I am just washing off my grates with bleach, Dawn, and some hot water. And that is it. That's all I'm doing for the stove. And then I got my DIY glass cleaner, which is vinegar, water, and a little bit of alcohol. And I'm just trying to shine my stove and get my stove clean. It has been looking dull, so I know I'm gonna have to do some real deep cleaning to it because I don't like the way it's looking, but for now it's clean. Guys, if you didn't see the video, I showed this, I unboxed this and showed you guys this. I got this with EBATES bucks. It was like 90 bucks on Overstock. It is a trash can that you touch, you wave in front of it, and it kind of opens. It's called a touchless trash can. I love it so much. I really do love it. And it actually works on batteries and it works on an adapter. And we put batteries in it and the batteries lasted several months. So it's a really good buy. That way, if you're cooking and stuff, and I'm always cooking or my hubby is cooking, we don't have to always touch the trash to open it or to put something in it. So, yep. So, yeah, I did take the other head wrap off. It was too hot and it was too heavy. So I switched it up. But guys, I love these disinfectant wipes. If you use disinfectant wipes, which ones do you use? And have you used the ones from Dollar Tree? And what can you compare them to if you tell me that they work really well? What are you comparing them to? What other wipes have you used? Here's my shark vac that I love. I got from QVC and I made payments on it because I wasn't sure if I was going to want to keep it. So that is the route to go if you're looking to get any one of those high-end vacuum cleaners. And this rug is from Amazon. It is 10 feet by 2.5 feet long. I hate when these get so disgusting, and I just use disinfectant wipes to grab whatever I can. That what you see on top was like a gray paint that got on it that never was wiped off. But I try to disinfect these because a lot of people touch these and that's how germs are spread. Yeah, I thought about it once. I went to Febreze. I'm like, wait, hold on. This trash can needs to be wiped down. I didn't even wipe the bottom of it. And it was rather stained and dirty. So I wiped that off. And I sprayed my floors with some Febreze. And this is the aftermath. This is the kitchen. I don't have a huge kitchen, but I love it. I made it work for me. And the way that I designed it to have this little counter / island over here makes everything perfect for us. We still have a lot of little things to do, like the trim around the floors, the vents for the kitchen, just little stuff that we need to do in our home. But it's coming along. And I thank you guys for joining me on this cleaning and cook with me video. Thumbs up this video. Share this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later, gators. I hope my revivers enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you thumbs up. And guess what, guys? This is where your girl is on social media. But before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.